هم بأمة أحمد لا والذي فطر السماء، ما هم بأمة خير خلق الله بادئا وانتهاء، ما هم بأمة أحمد لا والذي فطر السماء، ما هم بأمة خير خلق الله بادئا وانتهاء، ما هم بأمة أحمد لا والذي فطر السماء، ما هم بأمة خير خلق الله بادئا وانتهاء، ما هم بأمة سيدي سوف نعيش أكفياء، ما هم بأمتنا على الأخلاق الله أكبر من فرش العدالة والإخاء، يا حداء المجد اشتعلت حداء قاد قافلة السلام وفجر
محمد رسول الله. الله أكبر الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the master of the universe. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's in charge of what goes on in this earth. You are nothing. You are married to a prostitute. Brothers, never fear, never despair, never feel sad or depressed if you're indeed believers. These are the words of my Lord and your Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. Islam is the deen of Izzah, a deen of honor. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed the Ummah of Islam with the honor of our Muslim women and the Izzah of the lions of Islam who defend their women. There is no believer except he has the ghira in his heart. And there is nobody who will see the honor of Islam, the women of Islam, being attacked and being insulted and being put down without to rise up against any oppression of their women, except that the ghira has left their heart. If somebody claims to be a believer, but he has no ghira, no jealousy, no protection, no protective chivalry for his women, he has no deen, he has no iman.